Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC U0151 refers to a lost communication issue with the Supplemental Restraint System SRS unit in the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, is triggered when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, fails to receive valid signals from the SRS unit via the Controller Area Network, CAN, lines for a duration of 1.5 seconds or longer. The SRS unit is an essential safety component that manages airbags and seatbelt pretensioners during a collision, ensuring passenger safety. The CAN network facilitates simultaneous communication between various control modules in the vehicle, using two signal lines labeled FCAN-H and FCAN-L. Detecting problems with this communication can impact other systems and is crucial for safe vehicle operation. Diagnostic trouble codes like U0151 not only pinpoint issues, but also guide mechanics through troubleshooting the problem, preventing more extensive damage. DTC U0151 primarily involves the SRS unit and the Transmission Control Module, TCM. The SRS unit is responsible for detecting crash conditions and deploying airbags accordingly. It is situated within the vehicle's cabin, typically near the steering column area for optimal sensor placement. The TCM, on the other hand, is in control of transmission functions and monitors input from various sensors. Both the SRS unit and TCM communicate over the CAN gateway, which helps transmit data between numerous control modules. This ensures that the SRS unit can send critical signals regarding vehicle status and passenger safety to the TCM through the designated FCAN lines. Any interruptions in this communication can lead to the lighting of warning indicators and malfunction alerts. Several possible causes can lead to the triggering of DTC U0151. Malfunctioning of the TCM may prevent it from interpreting signals from the SRS unit, effectively losing communication. Additionally, issues with the CAN gateway may create a barrier in signal transmission between other control modules. Failure of specific signal lines, such as FCAN-H or FCAN-L, can result in either open circuits or shorts, leading to disrupted communication. This step also extends to associated signal lines like FCAN-A or B. Finally, a failure in the SRS unit itself, which may include blown fuses or intermittent connections, can contribute to the problem. It's important to note that these causes may not encompass all potential issues, indicating that thorough diagnostics is essential for accurate repair. Certain symptoms are immediately observable when DTC U0151 is active. One primary symptom is that the shift position indicator on the instrument cluster will blink, indicating a fault detected by the TCM. Despite this, the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, does not illuminate, which can mislead some drivers into thinking no issues exist. The TCM also records both pending and confirmed DTCs alongside freeze data, thereby keeping track of malfunction patterns. These symptoms can be critical, as they serve as early indicators of potential safety concerns, especially since the SRS unit handles vital safety components in the event of a collision. Being aware of these symptoms can help in urgent diagnostics and repair. The initial troubleshooting step involves checking the vehicle's battery voltage. Since the operational threshold is set at a minimum of 10.0 volts, ensuring that the battery voltage is above this level is crucial before proceeding with further diagnostics. A low battery voltage may cause intermittent communication between the TCM and SRS unit, leading to false DTCs like U0151. If the voltage fails to meet this requirement, charging or replacing the battery becomes imperative. Consistently maintaining battery health is also a good practice to prevent future electrical issues. Proper tools, such as a multimeter, should be used to verify the actual voltage and ensure accurate readings. Next, focus on inspecting the wiring associated with the CAN gateway. Visual checks should be performed to identify any signs of wear or damage to the harness and connectors. Look for frayed wires, loose connections, or corrosion that could impede proper signal transmission. If any issues are found, repairing or replacing damaged components is necessary. Given the importance of the CAN gateway as a central hub for numerous communications, its integrity is paramount to vehicle function. After confirming the wiring is intact, you may proceed to check the actual functionality of the gateway itself using a diagnostic scan tool. This ensures that it's performing its role appropriately. The third troubleshooting step is to test the functionality of the SRS unit itself. Utilizing a diagnostic scan tool, check for any additional trouble codes that may be logged within the SRS system. This can provide further insights into whether the SRS unit itself is at fault. Additionally, look for data parameters that reflect the operational status of the SRS unit. Irregularities in normal operating values may indicate internal failure. If the SRS unit is confirmed to be malfunctioning, it might require repair or replacement to restore proper communication with the TCM. Since this unit is vital for providing essential safety alerts, diagnosing it carefully ensures the safety mechanisms function correctly in emergencies. After addressing the identified issues and making necessary repairs, it is crucial to verify the results. Begin by clearing the DTCs from the TCM memory with an appropriate scan tool. Once cleared, run the vehicle through a drive cycle to confirm that the DTC U0151 does not reappear. Monitoring the functioning of the shift position indicator is vital. It should not display any blinking errors after the repairs. Moreover, ensure that the SRS system operates normally and no new fault codes surface. This verification step is essential to confirm the success of the repairs and to restore any compromised safety features associated with the SRS system. Preventive maintenance is immensely important in avoiding issues like DTC U0151 from arising in the first place. Regularly inspecting the vehicle's electrical system can catch potential issues early, specifically in wiring and connectors related to the CAN network. Ensuring connections are tight and free from corrosion is crucial to maintain smooth communication between the SRS unit and TCM. Additionally, keeping the vehicle's battery in top shape by checking its voltage and condition will help mitigate many decoding issues related to malfunctioning modules. Scheduling periodic diagnostic checks can also be a proactive step, ensuring that all systems function optimally, further enhancing overall vehicle safety and efficiency. In summary, DTC U0151 highlights a critical communication issue between the SRS unit and the TCM within the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. Understanding the underlying components, their functions, and the potential causes of this DTC can significantly aid in effective diagnostics. Following the systematic troubleshooting steps helps in isolating the problem, allowing the technician to make informed decisions regarding repairs. Additionally, routine maintenance practices not only enhance vehicle reliability, but also ensure that vital safety features remain operational, protecting occupants in case of an emergency. This holistic approach towards vehicle diagnostics and maintenance is crucial for both safety and performance on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.